Electronic precision shift has a modern appearance with quiet, smooth operation, another innovative feature of the XT4. The new straight shift pattern creates an intuitive experience that mimics a traditional shifter's forward and rearward movements. The slim, space-efficient design looks sleek and allows for additional room for advancements like the Cadillac First rotary controller. Let's take a look at how it works in real-world scenarios. To shift into drive, place your foot on the brake, then press and hold the shift lock button on the side of the lever and move the lever rearward completely. Once you release the shifter, the vehicle will stay in drive, but the shifter will return to the center position, ready for the next selection. When engaged, the selected gear turns red on the lever and briefly appears on the instrument cluster. Shifting into reverse is a similar process. Place your foot on the brake, press the shift lock button, and move the lever forward completely. When it's time to park, press the brake pedal and come to a complete stop. Press the button on top of the lever to shift into park. A confirmation chime indicates when XT4 is in park. Another feature of electronic precision shift allows for a more interactive driving experience. While in drive, pull the shifter rearward completely to shift into manual mode. Now you can manually shift gears using the paddles on the back of the steering wheel. To return to drive mode, pull the shifter rearward again and release. Should you turn the engine off or open the door while in any gear, the transmission automatically shifts into park to prevent the vehicle from rolling away. XT4 includes a car wash mode that allows the vehicle to remain in neutral for use in automatic car washes. For example, if you'd like to exit XT4 with the engine running, start by applying the brakes. Open the driver's door. Shift to neutral. Make sure N turns red on the shift lever. Now release the brake. You can now exit the vehicle and close the door. XT4 is ready for the car wash. When you return and open the driver's door, the vehicle may automatically shift to park. There may also be times when you need to turn off your engine and exit. See your owner's manual to learn more about other car wash procedures. Electronic precision shift technology enhances XT4's interior design, and its straight shift pattern creates a seamless, intuitive experience.